Hey guys, this is GreenStuff from A Garden Cat. So now I'm going to start this video with making aquarium fun. Yeah, let's start. First of all, to make this sort of fun aquarium, we need to have some glasses jar to create a transparent look, so that people can see inside from outside. So here this fern I already planted this one about 1 month back, and it's getting alive. It doesn't require any sort of sunlight, so it's totally you can grow at your home. Is kind of indoor plant. I will take you through the source of this fern, from where you can get them easily. So here I have the sands. This need to be cleaned properly from water. This need to wash actually. Here I have just cleaned all the jars, and I will see which one is suitable to make this fern aquarium. That one I'll pick. So here we got all these things, and here we have the sands which we need to wash. So as you can see, I just washed the stone sand, and now I will mix up with a small amount of cocoa peat with that. Just now we just grab one fern from one plant. So this fern will wash and will keep in some cold weather, as these are really not used to with the sunlight. We are going to keep this fern like that for the moment, like about 15 to 20 minutes, until we get ready with the sands to the jar. Mixture to this jar. The level of this mixture you need to decide that, because normally this needs to be at the middle of the jar, because the lights and the air really circulate into this top areas. If it is getting too much down from the open area, so for the plant it will be problem to get the oxygen in the daytime. So we'll try to give as much as possible to this new gentleman. Okay, so I think it's like it's already half. So now what we can do is we can just shake it to be normal. So you can see already that there's some water, so we'll not definitely keep this sort of water, because it will be harm for this. We'll keep it dry as much as we can. So we are going to remove the rest of the water, and after few days you can see the thing is it will be completely dry once days pass. So yeah, we are already on. So now we can plant this one. Before that, I'm going to clean this sort of things from here. Transplant this plant, we just need to make a small hole inside, and we just need to put the plant like that. You need to decide that which side you need to keep. So likewise we'll keep like that. Here's the garden cat. He is already here, so he'll inspect the things. Okay, so finally we have done. So once the days go off, you see that this thing will grow more fast. It will look like this, and it will be really a good thing. Once you wrap something over here at the top, it will be something pretty amazing, I'm sure. So this is like after one day how it looks. It looks so much clean, and the waters are absorbed by the stones, and the fern also looking so healthy. So if you like this video, give a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, as I am new here. So yeah, definitely in future I will bring something more good for you. Thank you so much for watching this video.